Hello folks, Akshat Gupta here. And if you are a YouTuber, agency owner, ad specialist, or a small and medium business owner, you know that the visual assets and videos are the lifeblood of any online or offline business. And every business owner realizes this too, because visuals are processed 60,000 times faster in the brain than text. But now, everyone can design HQ graphics and creating HD videos because you can't steal someone else's work. This can result in fines, legal costs, and penalties. Learning the skill will take forever. Professional teams take almost $800 to $1,500 per hour for a single graphic design or video. Creative subscription sites that offer ready-to-use graphic images and videos charge hefty fees. Vetting and hiring freelancers for the video and images is really cumbersome. Either way, you will end up spending tons of money and your time. I've even spent thousands of dollars in every month on good high-quality graphic images and HQ videos for my clients. But after working for 1 year straight, we created a solution, and it has changed the game for every business owner out there. Imagine if you are able to create your own graphic like logo, banners, flyers, Facebook ads, etc. and use them anywhere, make unlimited stunning videos without any skill, sell unlimited graphic designs, videos, top visual assets to your customers, and change any amount, access thousands of pre-made videos along with an advanced video editor and image editor. Sounds unbelievable. Introducing GraphEzy, world's first cloud-based technology, creates and sells unlimited jaw-dropping designs, videos, logos, and banners in any niche at the push of a button. With GraphEzy, you can start your own graphic design and video agency in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Select a template or start from the scratch. Choose from thousands of pre-built design templates for banners, business cards, blog post graphics, Facebook page covers, Instagram posts, Pinterest pins, and everything between from over 100 niche, or simply start with an empty canvas. Step 2. Customize. Replace or add the text, colors, icons, images, and start editing the template. AI will help you search and select all sorts of design assets. Step number 3. Download. Once you are happy with the design, hit the download button to print your design without any additional fees in different formats. With GraphEzy, you will get AI-powered high-converting graphics and video creator, simple drag and drop design editor, create unlimited designs, thousands of hand-picked proven to convert graphic templates inbuilt, fully editable logo and icon creator with pre-made template library, millions of searchable royalty-free assets with no copyrights, 100% cloud-based platform, one-click post schedule for posting on all social media platforms. Take your designs and graphic agency on the next level. No design skills required. Step-by-step training included. Unlimited commercial license included. Sell unlimited graphics, logos, icons, and video creation services to unlimited clients. No limitations. Unlimited one-click saves and downloads, and much more. And we are not alone. Over 150 top agency owners, marketers, and more than 3,000 plus customers have started making money with GraphEzy. Till now, GraphEzy has generated 341,887 plus HQ graphics, logos, icons, and videos. It's huge. And now, it's your turn to use it for your own business to skyrocket your conversion and profit at a low one-time cost during this special 4-day launch deal. Your purchase is fully covered by our 30 days money-back guarantee. Try it for 30 days. If you are still not convinced, get your money back. Also, it comes with a commercial license, which makes it an incredibly great deal. Soon it will be recurring, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast, click the link below, see you inside.